Tell me.
I'm gonna make it a show!
Okay.
Oh, we're gonna actually make it a show?
Why not? I'm doing it!
Go over there and get my chicken palm.
Go sit on the bleachers.
Ready?
Yes.
Welcome to Common Man Cocktails. Today we're gonna make you... What the fuck is this called?
Pacific Sunshine,
The
bitch.
Pacific Sunshine!
Who doesn't want one of these?
I don't know what it is. So Aiden
Well, we're gonna make it.
Donated $5 Australian things to us
things.
to make this cocktail. He is the same person who did the $20 20 bottle bar request, which ended up getting us like probably 4,000
he's got some
views.
great requests.
Right? So I figure it won't get that many views because people aren't gonna know what this is, but who cares? He's making it.
But it's got tequila in it. You just say tequila, Pacific Sunshine,
Bingo.
boom.
Don't get a lot of.
No crabs there.
Gabillion.
No lobsters. They have crabs.
Crabs.
So
we don't want crabs.
ounce and a half of tequila. Ounce of blue curacao. 1.5 ounces
1 ounce.
of sour mix.
Oh, that was 1 ounce.
Dash of Angostura bitters. That is what we're doing.
I have a feeling there would have been 1 ounce.
Damn,
if there wasn't
girl.
1 ounce.
Oh, I should have saved it for you to look.
Yeah.
Tall pour.
It was great. There was a huge crowd. It was the greatest.
And we used all the tequila.
Yes! We finished the bottle of tequila.
Are you
I'm going to
saying
have to
I'm
contact
trumping my
Alma.
measurements?
Alma needs to send me
Send us some
somewhere.
new shit.
Alma, are you online? Hello? We need to do something with this. We just gotta move it over
And
here.
you're dead bones.
Dead bottle pile. So we're just making this video. It's literally off the cuff. We have no idea what we're doing.
Oh, well, no, we always know what we're doing.
Well, he's
See this guy?
oh, you even have big shaker.
Yeah. Come on. Yeah.
It's warmed up.
Wow, look at this. He's making it like a fucking pro. It only took 7 drinks and like 18
Do we need
different
ice in
shots.
this thing?
Why?
We need ice in that. Of course we
Always
need ice.
ice.
Look at you.
Oh my god.
You are a
It's fun.
fucking
It
professional.
would be great with ice though.
Jesus, I would hit on you if I was at the bar.
You're at a bar.
I don't work well at this bar.
Oh,
Hit on anybody.
what's up?
It's not the kind of bar I work at.
Damn, that's not saying much.
You hit on me before.
That looks like a Pacific Sunrise.
Yeah, look at
It
that.
does.
Pacific Ocean.
It does definitely.
Remember
doesn't
when
look
we
like
drove down the Pacific Highway together?
Yes, holding hands and
Holding
drinking.
hands?
That's pretty gay.
We walked along
There you go.
the beach.
Did I have hair then?
In
was
Orange
it flowing in
County?
the breeze? I can't remember.
It was.
It's flowing in the breeze.
Your beard was flowing in the breeze.
Yes, the police were pulling me
Yes.
over because I answered a phone call.
Ooh, yeah, that breeze.
You guys are weird. I'm just gonna drink this.
These are all true stories.
They are true stories.
I called them.
Except for the hand-holding.
Yes.
Yeah, you did. We were on Newport
You
Beach.
their bromance.
It was a lovely walk, and
We were overlooking the cliffs on Newport
Oh,
Beach.
it's my wife. I gotta take this. Okay,
He was like, damn it, Dad, we were having a moment.
so close.
You almost got in
Just
his
about to
pants.
grab him there.
Oh, that's a good drink.
You almost got in his pants and then he got that in.
I almost got a tushy grab.
Makes sense.
I'm always up for a tushy grab. Ah!
Peggy
Oh.
said if you go to California, she's hitting on you to Ian.
I told you she has. Did not trust me.
Our executive producer is C. Powell. Go to patreon.com/CMC
That's
to
a pretty good
support
drink.
I don't like it.
to support us.
It's sweet. It's
Like
like,
C. Powell did. It looks like
I
an
mean, it's almost
adios
like a margarita. I
motherfucker.
mean, it's pretty much a margarita.
It
Yeah.
looks like an
without
adios motherfucker. Tastes like a margarita.
Without the agave.
It is.
Agave. Why do we use it for sugar?
It's
here?
like just a straight up tequila
You made
adios
this.
motherfucker.
It's just sour mix.
Sour mix and curacao.
Yeah,
Huh? That's simple.
it's good.
No.
It shouldn't taste like this though. I feel like it needs another component in order
Get
to have this
Utah,
taste.
Ian. I just went to Utah.
You did.
He
You know
did.
what?
Yeah.
I think the problem is
But the abbreviation is capitalized.
Just saying.
Just mess with Eric.
so. I think the issue is with this specific
Get
drink
it, Ian.
is it solves the
I didn't go to
component
Italy.
problem by having natural sour mix. If you were to use this, it wouldn't taste right.
Nope. Let's not try it.
Yeah, no, don't worry. That's bad. That's
Yeah, you don't
because
use
you
that
have the
shit.
syrup and the limes and the lemons and all that stuff. You've basically created a cocktail and brought it into another cocktail. You brought a non-alcoholic cocktail, sour mix, into here, and it has all the components you need to make a cocktail.
It's good. Do you think the Angostura does anything in the drink?
Oh, that's good.
I don't know if I put enough in there.
How much do you want to put in there?
I don't know. There's not a lot in there.
Do you
Bottom.
taste
Put another put another
I don't
shot
know.
in
There's a
there.
lot of stuff in there.
Shot?
Yeah. Put another. Psh.
Okay.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
Wow, that
Nope.
was uneventful.
Jesus.
Wow, that's not coming out.
That's what happened. This thing's got the fucking clappers.
That's what happens.
It could also be that I just need to put more in.
Yeah, I mean, Peggy, don't tell me that there's no clap going on there.
Oh, don't.
Doug has hentai, Dan has sauce porn.
Yeah. No, it's soy sauce.
Soy sauce porn.
Yeah, you pour soy sauce.
Yeah,
right
there's
on
more
the
soy sauce in here?
Yeah.
Much
I
better.
don't understand half the words
It's a little bit
in
better.
the chat.
I
They're
don't
all
know.
English, Ian.
I don't know, but Peggy's got cuffs.
Yeah, what's that?
For
Is that
you.
slang for something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's something for I'm going to tie your shit
yeah,
up.
I'm gonna tie you up.
Handcuffs. Okay, I thought it was.
Oh, don't worry, he's submissive. It's fine. It'll be easy.
I got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Anyone else submit, no problem.
Alright.
Don't worry about that, Peggy.
I'll probably break the cuffs.
Yeah.
No,
He'll
I
be
probably
like,
couldn't break the cuffs.
he'll be
That's
like,
the whole point, right?
That's all, yeah.
he's so submissive he shows up in cuffs.
It's hell to drive.
It's 10 to 2.
Didn't use the blanket the whole way there.
Oh no.
You can slide down.
Every time you turn on the blinker, you turn off that side of the road.
Yeah.
It's fine. It's like half the people who drive. The Angostura, I can taste it now. I like Angostura, so that's good.
Yeah, it adds a little bit of
It's just got a little
Just
bit
a
of
little bit of
allspice.
bite, yeah.
phoviness to it.
Got a little like allspice flavor to it.
Yeah.
I would say for this specific recipe that Aiden submitted, do 2 to 3 dashes of Angostura. Unless you don't like Angostura, then that would be
Well,
stupid.
then it changes it up a little bit.
I like change.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's a blue margarita. Right?
Yeah. With no
Yeah,
sugar.
yeah.
Like it doesn't,
Right. It's
you
slightly
just use
easier to make.
blue
No
sugar.
agave, no
Yeah.
sugars, none of that. Although he did
given-
make custom sour mix, so
So there was
Oh, that's true.
3/4 ounce of sugar and 3/4 ounce of sour. So
Right.
3/4 ounce of sugar,
that's work.
3.
Oh, that's true. So that, I mean, because it is an ounce and a half.
Yeah, we
so-
did a good job. It was working there. That required effort.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job, guys.
Yeah. I mean, it took me a long time to make that drink.
Way to make them feel included.
We were like working hard on that drink.
It's so good when the end's here, and I don't have to make any drinks.
I made a drink once.
Mind the bull.
I made one
Yeah, I made
this
one.
month.
Be on the lookout.
That's true.
Oh, then she can leave the taser at work.
Ah, where's the fun in that?
Yeah.
I doesn't want to get tased.
Yeah.
There's a guy that was at our gym.
You know
He was
this
a
is
cop.
never
He was a
gonna
canine
be
cop,
good.
and they would go through like all get tased, so they know
Yeah,
what it
you
feels
have
like.
to,
Yeah.
right? So you know, yeah.
He had the video. He brought it and showed us.
Yeah. I mean, what else is the ball gag for?
Right. You gotta get tasted in the junk once.
No, they did it in the back.
Well, if you can do it in the back, that's fine. Whatever.
But it'd be like if Dan's getting tased, I'd have his arm here, you'd have his arm there, because he's gonna
He's
lose
gonna
his
fall.
legs. And
Yeah, he's gonna.
Oh, Dan's gonna like that. He's like, wait a minute. So 2 guys are gonna hold me from both sides, and then you're gonna shock me? Come on, he's in. He's in. Yes.
Dan's like, yeah, right, I don't care.
You're gonna tickle my balls too. So that's it.
What else are you gonna do?
We finished.
Alright,
All right.
you're off the tracks.
Or we didn't even start on.
Is that what happened?
So there's a
What happened to
sidebar.
all our bottles?
I'll throw some videos on the sidebar down below. As the awesome drinks bartender starter kit
Fish hook.
stuff. You can probably, I don't know when this video is going out, so I'm not going to mention my coupon code, but if you go to awesomedrinks.com, you can buy stuff. That is it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink.